Welcome to Health Miracles, where we explore the tantalizing world of seafood delights that not only satisfy your taste buds but also nourish your body from within. Join us on a journey through the ocean's bounty as we uncover the flavorful treasures and nutritional wonders of various seafood options. Let's dive in and embark on a culinary adventure that celebrates the fusion of taste and health. Discover delicious and nutritious seafood, your guide to flavorful health boosts. Seafood encompasses a variety of marine foods including fish, mollusks, crustaceans, and echinoderms. Nutrient-rich options like salmon, clams, and oysters provide essential elements such as protein, B12, iron, selenium, zinc, and vitamin D, often deficient in modern diets. Research suggests regular seafood consumption may lower the risk of prevalent health issues like colorectal cancer and heart disease. However, for optimal health benefits, prioritizing seafood types based on nutritional value, sustainability, and low mercury levels is advisable. 1. Clams. Clams emerge as a low-mercury option abundant in essential vitamins and minerals, particularly B12. With a 3-ounce cooked serving delivering over 3,000% of daily B12 needs, clams stand out as a premier source of this vital vitamin. Additionally, they boast minerals like zinc and selenium, crucial for bolstering immune function. Notably, farmed clams rank among the most sustainable seafood choices, offering affordability and versatility in fresh, frozen, or canned forms. 2. Trout. Fatty and rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D, trout serves as a nutritional powerhouse. Vitamin D's role in calcium absorption underscores its significance in maintaining skeletal health and regulating inflammation and immune function. Trout distinguishes itself as a top source of vitamin D, with a 3-ounce cooked serving providing 645 international units, meeting 81% of daily requirements. Alongside vitamin D, trout supplies ample protein, zinc, selenium, and B12, embodying a comprehensive nutritional profile. 3. Oysters. Beyond the delectable flavor, oysters offer a wealth of nutrients including protein, omega-3 fats, B12, selenium, zinc, and copper. A 100-gram serving surpasses 100% of daily B12, zinc, and copper needs, along with over 50% of selenium requirements. Notably iron-rich, oysters cater to individuals with heightened iron needs, such as those with iron deficiency anemia. Incorporating protein-rich oysters into meals and snacks can foster satiety, aiding in maintaining a healthy body weight. 4. Sardines. Often underestimated, sardines stand out as a powerhouse of nutrition among seafood choices. Packed with essential nutrients including protein, iron, vitamin E, selenium, B12, and calcium, these small fish offer significant health benefits. Just one 3.75-ounce can of sardines fulfills 343% of your daily B12 needs, along with 88% of selenium, 27% of calcium, 15% of iron, and 13% of vitamin E requirements. Moreover, sardines are rich in the anti-inflammatory omega-3 fats EPA and DHA, to the extent that increasing sardine intake might lessen the need for omega-3 supplements. The cardiovascular benefits extend further with nutrients like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and amino acids such as taurine and arginine. 5. Mackerel. Similar to sardines, mackerel offers a bounty of nutrients, notably B12 and selenium. A 3-ounce serving covers a substantial portion of these nutrients, providing 675% and 78% of daily needs, respectively. B12 supports red blood cell production, neurological function, metabolism, and DNA synthesis, while selenium plays pivotal roles in immune and thyroid function and acts as a potent antioxidant. Mackerel also contributes to magnesium intake, crucial for nerve function, DNA synthesis, blood sugar and pressure regulation, stress response, and bone health. Moreover, mackerel's lower likelihood of accumulating high mercury levels compared to larger fish enhances its safety profile for consumption. 6. Herring. Rich in omega-3s akin to sardines and mackerel, herring boasts additional nutritional benefits. Research indicates herring's abundance in vitamin E, vitamin D, B12, selenium, iodine, calcium, and iron. Moreover, herring's low levels of toxins like lead, cadmium, and mercury underscore its status as a nutritious and safe seafood choice to enhance your diet. 7. Lobster. Renowned for its luxurious taste and delicate texture, lobster holds a special place among shellfish aficionados. Beyond its culinary appeal, lobster boasts an impressive nutritional profile, offering protein, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. A 3-ounce serving of cooked lobster delivers over 16 grams of protein and fulfills 31% and 113% of daily zinc and selenium needs, respectively. Additionally, it abounds in B12 and copper, crucial for red blood cell production. With its nutrient richness and delectable taste, lobster adds both flavor and nutrition to any meal. 8. Cod. For those seeking a mild-flavored fish packed with protein, cod presents an excellent dietary choice. A 180-gram cod fillet provides a remarkable 41 grams of protein, promoting satiety, blood sugar regulation, and muscle mass maintenance. Opting for lower-calorie, higher-protein foods like cod can aid in achieving and maintaining a healthy body weight by enhancing feelings of fullness and reducing snacking. Cod's mild taste renders it suitable for individuals desiring to incorporate seafood into the diet without the intensity of stronger-flavored fish. 9. Tuna. Tuna emerges as a cost-effective and convenient seafood option, readily available in canned form. Brimming with essential vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fats, tuna addresses nutritional gaps prevalent in many diets. Despite its nutritional benefits, it's essential to be mindful of mercury content, particularly in species like big-eye tuna. Canned light tuna, with lower mercury levels, can be enjoyed up to 3 times weekly, providing valuable nutrients without compromising health. 10. Mussels. Recognized for their eco-friendliness compared to other animal proteins, farmed mussels offer a sustainable alternative with a reduced environmental footprint. Boasting 23.8 grams of protein per 100-gram serving, mussels rival ground beef in protein content while providing essential vitamins and minerals like B12 and iron. With the nutritional density and environmental sustainability, mussels present a compelling choice for health-conscious consumers. 11. Scallops. Scallops stand out as a source of lean protein rich in the amino acids taurine and glycine, which may protect against atherosclerosis, a leading cause of heart disease. Low in mercury and high in nutrients like B12, zinc, and selenium, scallops offer a heart-healthy option that supports overall well-being. 12. Halibut. Noteworthy for its mild flavor and nutritional bounty, halibut is replete with essential nutrients including protein, selenium, B12, and B6. While halibut's nutritional profile is commendable, its higher mercury content warrants moderation, with the FDA recommending consumption limited to 1 serving per week to mitigate potential health risks. 13. Salmon. Renowned for its nutrient density and delectable taste, salmon stands as a favored seafood choice in the United States. A 154-gram serving of wild-caught salmon offers substantial portions of key nutrients, covering 21% for potassium, 85% for vitamin B6, 131% for selenium, and an impressive 196% for B12. Boasting 39 grams of protein per serving, salmon emerges as a satisfying option for satiety. Beyond its nutrient profile, salmon excels in providing omega-3 fats DHA and EPA, along with the potent antioxidant astaxanthin, which contributes to its reddish hue. Astaxanthin's cellular protective properties align with its potential to mitigate conditions like cognitive decline, fortifying overall health. 14. Shrimp. Similar to salmon, shrimp owes its pink hue to elevated levels of astaxanthin, a robust antioxidant combating oxidative stress. Research highlights astaxanthin's antioxidant potency, surpassing that of vitamin E and beta-carotene by up to 500 times. Beyond astaxanthin, shrimp delivers essential nutrients like B12, selenium, zinc, and protein. Its versatility lends itself to a myriad of dishes including pastas, salads, and grain bowls, enhancing both flavor and nutritional content. 15. Crab. Abundant in nutrients such as B vitamins, selenium, and zinc, crab meat emerges as a nutritional powerhouse. A 3-ounce serving of cooked blue crab satisfies 29% of daily zinc needs, pivotal for immune function, protein and DNA synthesis, and cell division. Moreover, crab serves as a notable source of heart-protective omega-3 fats, furnishing between 200 mg to 550 mg of EPA and DHA per 4-ounce serving. With its nutrient richness and omega-3 content, crab contributes to overall health while tantalizing taste buds with its delectable flavor. Thanks for watching our exploration of seafood's culinary and health wonders. If you enjoyed discovering the delicious and nutritious world of seafood with us, don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering content.